Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a dividend portfolio allocation calculator works to balance yield, growth, and risk. First, the calculator begins with your total investment, which is the amount of money you want to allocate across dividend investments. For example, if you start with a $25,000 portfolio, that amount becomes the base for building your dividend allocation plan. Next, you set an income goal, because the calculator needs to know what kind of dividend result you want. For instance, you may target a 4.5% portfolio yield, which gives the calculator a clear income objective to work toward. After that, you choose asset categories, because dividend portfolios can be built from different types of income-producing assets. For example, you may split the portfolio across dividend stocks, dividend ETFs, and REITs, so the calculator can model a more diversified allocation. Then, you assign allocation weights, which means deciding how much of the total portfolio goes into each category. For example, you may choose 40% in dividend stocks, 35% in dividend ETFs, and 25% in REITs, depending on your income needs and risk preference. Next, you estimate yield, growth, and risk for each category, because every asset type behaves differently. Some assets may offer higher yield but lower growth, while others may provide stronger growth with a lower starting yield. In the same way, some assets may also carry higher risk than others. Afterward, the calculator runs the allocation projection by combining the weights, yields, growth assumptions, and risk levels. As a result, it estimates expected income, overall portfolio yield, growth potential, and how diversified or concentrated the portfolio may be. Then, you review the results to understand how the portfolio may perform. For example, the estimated annual income may come to about $1,125, while the estimated portfolio yield may be around 4.5%. At the same time, the calculator may show moderate growth potential, balanced risk, and improved diversification across asset types. In addition, the calculator helps you compare the role of each asset category. For example, dividend stocks may offer medium risk with stronger growth, dividend ETFs may provide lower to medium risk with diversified income, and REITs may offer higher yield but slightly higher risk. Moreover, the calculator helps you adjust for better balance. If you want more current income, you may increase higher yield allocations. On the other hand, if you want more long-term value, you may increase assets with stronger growth potential. Likewise, if you want lower risk, you may diversify more broadly across categories. Overall, a dividend portfolio allocation calculator is a useful tool for designing a dividend portfolio that balances income today with growth and risk control for the future. However, the examples are only illustrative, because actual yields, growth rates, and risks can vary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.